Kindle Vella left authors high and dry, and you decided to write a web novel for your email subscribers. How do you get those email subscribers? That's what today's video is all about. Marketing your web series or web novel is a lot like promoting any other book. One of the best ways is to engage with current and potential readers. Let them know you're writing a web series. Create content. Insert shameless plug for my premium newsletters for authors. Come on, I had to do it. When you subscribe, you not only get the corresponding email to this video, but my ultimate content creation guide and all other newsletter articles. That content creation guide contains 40 content creation ideas to fill your content calendar from drafting your story until after you publish it. Go on now. Scroll down to the description and hit one of those links, but not before you hit subscribe. Awkward stuff out of the way. Back to what you came for. First, I'll state the obvious. Put your subscription link wherever your social media platforms will let you. Make it easy for readers to subscribe to your web novel. When it comes to literature, word of mouth and social proof are the most effective ways to persuade buyers. If all else fails, advertise. You gain social proof for your story with reviews and 5-star ratings in publications or blogs. Ways to do this are contacting bloggers, podcasters, and literary influencers to see if they're interested in interviewing you on their platform. You'll be exposed to more readers and have social proof because they already have reader and audience trust. Asking for reviews in writing groups can get you a few reviews in exchange for reviewing or beta reading someone else's work. Getting reviews this way is a win-win because it's free and you have a second pair of eyes that can catch mistakes or inconsistencies in your work. Advertising is another way to cast a wide net to reel in more readers. We're going to pretend like that wasn't the worst fishing analogy you've ever heard in your life. I digress. Use social media or paid editorials to increase your chances of being seen by your ideal readers. Social media ads are pretty self-explanatory. You set a small budget for a certain period of time, choose your target audience, and the platform does the rest. Before you spend money on ads, make sure you're aware of your reader demographics and the platforms they're most active on. The Pew Research Center does a social media report every year. Look there and through your site and social media analytics. Make note of similar demographic data and use them to create target ads. Paid editorials are articles and interviews that you pay to place on websites, newsletters, and blogs. Advertising like this can be on the pricey side. Ensure that the demographic you're targeting with your book is aligned with whatever marketing tactic you choose. Otherwise, it's a money pit. Leave a comment if this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.